it's been really cold, really windy throughout the day today, and it's been blowing snow, and it's still very cold and windy here right now. And according to our KELOLAND Storm Tracker app, it's 12 degrees, and it feels like -9 outside right now. And it's really been, the wind's really been the story really throughout the state, including in Rapid City, like we just mentioned, with 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts in downtown Rapid City. And here in Sioux Falls, our photojournalist Ash Fetchner captured this video in Falls Park. And so just take a look at the wind gusts at Falls Park. And yeah, the visibility at Falls Park really was not very good today. And we even caught one brave soul out checking out the conditions. So, I mean, good for that person. But the wind is supposed to stay put really, and for the next couple hours, it will probably calm down into the overnight hours. I'm sure Jalen Borison will tell you all about that throughout the show. But for now, reporting in downtown Sioux Falls, Jordan DeSmit, KELOLAND News.